Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fog lamps. I'm doing this on my 09 Yaris. And as you see, I got the whole kit, but I'm not using the whole kit. So it comes with the lamps, the wiring harness, the little switch with the relay, and of course the fog lamp covers, which is the only part of the kit I'm buying. Well, not buying, using. And if you can see, this was the one without the fog lamps. I just cut the whole mid section out. And the reason I did that is because I'll be turning this to an air duct. That's where these come in, so they look a little bit cleaner than this mess right here. So there's a couple ways you could do this. You could either take out the lower splash shield and push it out from the bottom, or you could go to the top, take out the side screws, the top, and pull the bumper forward. Another way you could do it is if you have a pry tool, you do it like this. I don't have to do it, I could just pull it out, but I'm gonna just show you for demonstration. Go to the gap that's open the most, gently push in. Well, let me put it back in. Go like this, and then pull it forward, and then there's like clips, and you just pull aroundwards. It's one clip. It's 4 clips, 2 clips here, 2 clips there. I really didn't need this. I could have just pulled it forward, but just to show you guys. And if you guys are interested on how I'll be doing the air duct, leave a comment below, and I'll do that. And then it's easy like that. Just pop it in. And then, of course, repeat the same procedure. This side, since I already showed y'all, I don't have to worry. Show y'all again. But I'll just pull it forward. I'm trying not to hit the camera too in the process. Alright, this clip is stuck. I know it. There you go. That's pretty easy. But if you already got fog lamps, you're replacing all that. It's a little bit more complicated, but this is the quickest way to swap out the fog lamp covers. And that's it. That's how you change the fog lamp covers. Easy, quick, simple. And stay tuned for the next video. I'll see ya. Peace.